CYPE3D is a tool designed for analysing three-dimensional structures. To do this, we enter nodes and bars made of steel, concrete, aluminium, timber, composite concrete and steel, or any other material, defining their position in the space, the sections, and the fixities between elements. We can also enter two-dimensional shells with constant thickness that are discretized in finite elements. The working interface is completely three-dimensional, and it allows windows to be created to manage the views of the structure. We set the limit states for each material, the load cases and load case combinations, and enter loads on nodes, bars, and surface loads. If we analyse the job, the bars of the structure are designed by carrying out the fire resistance check, as well as other checks. Additionally, we can also analyse the structure under seismic conditions and consider the second-order effects by the P-delta method for wind and seismic loads. Then we review the results, such as reactions, forces, and displacements of the different elements. And check whether they comply with the selected codes. We check and design welded and bolted connections of rolled and welded steel eye sections and hollow sections. After the connections, we design the foundation, using base plates, footings, pile caps, tie beams, and strap beams. Finally, the program allows us to print the analysis reports and the job drawings in different formats. As well as functioning as a standalone program, CYPE3D models can be imported into CYPECAD as integrated 3D structures. If we use the models in CYPE Connect, we can import nodes and forces to analyse the connections by finite elements. The information is ultimately accessible from the BIMserver.center platform through any device and at any time for all collaborators in any discipline involved in the project.
Do you need a powerful tool that is able to help you with your structural projects? CYPECAD has been developed to carry out the analysis and design of reinforced concrete, steel, timber, and aluminium structures. Enabling a comprehensive methodology with unlimited potential, the program guarantees maximum reliability of analysis results and interoperability with different programs. Here, the user can choose from an extensive catalogue of materials, specifications, and layouts to satisfy their needs. Columns, walls, shear walls, hollow core slabs, joist floor slabs, and many other elements can all be intelligently designed according to the user's needs and codes of practice, including seismic and earthquake options as standard, forming a unity between user and interface like no other. In addition, never before has the configuration of composite elements been so intuitive and user-friendly. The user is able to select and position all components using the Composite Element Manager, and also design, calculate and size the structural components, their foundations, and the connections between these elements all in one place. Numerous standards adopted around the world have also been implemented in the solution, enabling the user to pick and design certain elements based on a range of possibilities and requirements they may need, from reinforcement options to visual analysis simulations. Automatically combine your physical and analytical models to enhance visual representation of any project. Produce a wide range of sleek reports and drawings that can be customized to your liking and shared with project collaborators, all at the click of a button. It's never been easier to collaborate. CYPECAD is also linked to the Open BIM workflow, allowing project teams to collaborate in the most efficient and effective ways available. CYPECAD. Reliable structures, precise drawings.
CYPE Architecture is a free 3D architectural modelling program specifically designed for multidisciplinary collaboration. To get started, we can link the model to a project hosted on the BIMserver.center platform and become part of the collaborative workflow provided by Open BIM technology. The program is divided into 3 tabs: Sketch, Architecture, and Furniture. These tabs detail the project from the initial volumetric sketch phase to its architectural and construction definition, and finally, the furnishing. The working interface is completely 3-dimensional and allows users to create and use 3D and 2D views, such as floor, elevation, and section, as well as to visualize and organize the information layers of the BIM project's own elements, and elements read. In the Sketch tab, we can enter reference systems for the model, as well as drawing elements such as lines, arcs, quadrilaterals, circles, ellipses, and polygons that form surfaces when constructing closed outlines. Drawing elements can be grouped together or incorporated into an objects library for joint editing. Further on, in the Architecture tab, we enter building elements such as walls, columns, floor slabs, and beams. Openings such as doors and windows. And connections such as ramps, stairs, and lifts. We also enter spaces. We can enter building elements from scratch or generate them from the previously created surfaces in the Sketch tab. The program also offers options for managing groups, colours and textures of elements, as well as intersection solution tools. Then, in the last tab, we can complete the model by entering furniture, home appliances, sanitary appliances, and garden elements. Authorized project participants can share and view the information generated with the program via the BIMserver.center platform, allowing them to access all the information from any device at any time. This way, we provide the geometric information needed to continue working with tools from other disciplines linked to BIMserver.center, such as programs for simulations, structural design and system design, management, and generating documents.